TerrAvion customers can use their NDVI imagery to quantify crop damage in their fields, whether it be the result of severe weather, chemical drift, or any other cause. Use NDVI imagery to identify the NDVI signatures of damaged crops and then highlight all other crops that share those same characteristics. To start, log into your overview account and select a field you wish to assess for crop damage. Compare a healthy pre-event image to a post-event image where you suspect crop damage and look for a drop in crop vigor. Please note that while imagery can bring your attention to areas where crop vigor has fluctuated, ground truthing imagery is required to know the exact cause of any vigor variability you've identified. If you notice a drop in crop vigor that you've correlated to crop damage and you'd like to quantify that crop damage, open the Zone Creation tool in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. Once the zoning tool is open, select 2 or 3 zones. We'll use 3. Adjust the histogram to single out the crop damage you've identified. Adjust Zone 1 to select all low vigor outliers, such as dirt, that are not representative of crop damage and that you want to exclude. Adjust Zone 3 to select all healthy crops that you also want to exclude. Click the All checkbox to turn on the zone preview. Does the middle zone, Zone 2, accurately reflect the area you've identified as crop damage? If the area you've identified is underrepresented, stretch Zone 2 on the histogram until you get a match you're comfortable with. Lastly, note the acres next to each zone in the Select Parameters window to see exactly how many acres in your field suffered crop damage. For more information on how to use TerrAvion imagery to quantify crop damage, please visit our website at www.terravion.com or contact support@terravion.com.